Got some items you'd like to sell online but not interested in using Craigslist? Here are 3 alternatives to help you move your stuff. If clothes are what you're selling, then check out Poshmark. More than just a shopping destination, Poshmark is a vibrant community of seller stylists. Posting on Poshmark is quite easy. First, take a photo of the item you want, then upload it. Share the listing to your network. Once it sells, ship it with Poshmark's prepaid label. Poshmark guarantees all items it lists and offers full refunds if the item isn't as listed. Another popular app for selling items locally is Letgo. Similar to Craigslist, Letgo simplifies the selling process by autofilling in the item's description. It also allows the buyer and seller to communicate through the app, so you can haggle ahead of time. Facebook Marketplace is one of the great uses of Facebook. You have to be logged on to use the service, but that means accountability. Postings aren't anonymous, which helps prevent scams and makes the marketplace a better option than Facebook. As with all sales over the internet, you should exercise caution. Refunds and warranties are all but foregone conclusions. So do your best to verify what you are buying or selling before you venture down a path you might regret. For more great tips and to keep your digital know-how going, visit Komando.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.